Morning, morning. Hope everyone is doing good and can hear me fine. So we are looking at NQ and ES just like usual. This is the daily chart. This is how it looks. Currently trading in this weekly wick on NQ. Same on ES. I expect it to run the highs. Today we have got President Trump speaking at 10 a.m. So it's been added in the economic calendar later on. So just gonna be cautious. We are 5 minutes away from market open. We are getting some level of discount opening here. Trade from the weekly premium wicks consequent encroachment in London on NQ. Still needs to be to that weekly premium wicks. How the 15-minute looks currently using this BC. Same on ES. See if it wants to hold it on 15-minute or not. So 3 minutes away now from market open. So this is how the weekly looks. This is how the daily looks. This is the 4 hour. Traded inside this BC on 4 hour. Also, I put this, got this. Just 2 minutes away now. This is MNQ 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. This is ES 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. These are all the main stocks in the NASDAQ index. So I'll be looking at each of these as well. Bring it to a lower time frame. Right, 30 seconds away from market open. See, what are we going to be getting at open? It's the discount opening. $764.25. 764.25. So that's the opening range gap. $425.5. 425.5. Opening range gap. Let's see how it looks in regular trading hour. Right. So sweeps the low. That is how I wanted to react. Maybe go for London lows, or at least this weekly premium makes consequent encroachment. I'm just going to wait here to settle down these low run, and then going to interact, looking to see some bullishness. I am bullish here. So we have got our first presented fair value gap here on NQ. Just going to stay patient here. Mm. He is finding some strength from the first presented fair value gap from Thursday of last week. I'm going long here. Might add full position here if it holds. Right, good push. Right, failure to trade inside the first presented fair value gap, and here did not even take the opening range gap. So looks weak. If it holds the first presented fair value gap, I'll be adding more and move my stop here. Right, looks strong now. Good close. Yeah, if it's act strong inside the first presented fair value gap, I'll be adding 5 more. Still risking 260. Slap on ES after trading inside the opening range gap. Not really liking the slap on ES. Mm-hmm. I really want this volume imbalance to be held bullishly on NQ. President Trump starts speaking in 18 minutes. I got this volume imbalance now. Nothing on ES like that. I wanted to close above this. Alright, good push higher. I'm liking this. Good. Wants it to keep continuing until the consequent encroachment of the opening range gap, at least. See how the 15-minute looks. Right, currently working like this. We have 2 minutes in this candle to finish. Alright, come on. 10 points away from my target. Takes the high on both. It's a higher high. Just a few more points. High came at 738, 1.5 point. We'll break even now. Takes the high and now coming back in this inefficiency. Uses the low of the opening range gap on ES effectively. Currently working the lower quadrant on NQ. Closes nicely on NQ and ES both. Should continue higher. to the consequent encroachment of the gap. Not liking this chop on ES. See how these. So Meta is pumping high, Google is pumping high, Microsoft, Apple pushed lower to start with. If it stops me out, that will be sucker for me. Won't be losing anything, but still was up $660 and it only missed my target by 1.5. But we are placed in a low hanging fruit target objective, so it should be fulfilled. Let's see. Using the low of the opening range gap this time on NQ. It looks strong. Do not really like the close. I want the NQ to close above this, and ES to close above this. ES does, NQ does not. Let's see. Got this volume imbalance on both. Looks like market is taking a slap and having issues trading higher from here. But this volume imbalance should be acting as bullish PDRA. Want the prices to hold this on close basis. We've got similar on ES, so this one should add bullish on ES. Let's see. But most of the stocks are tanking lower. If you can see, Meta is tanking lower. So you never know, it can start dropping from here as well. Nice, really nice reaction. And close if it holds this bullishly and closes above the volume imbalance on both. So 9:49, next minute is macro, expecting it to run inside the consequent encroachment of the opening range gap this time. It worked the volume imbalance once more. Right, good push higher. Next minute is macro. Macro starts. ES is breaking lower. Not really liking it. Move my stop further tight. ES breaks lower from the opening range gap. That is not good. I want it to close above this. No, not really a good close on ES. NQ holds. Let's see if it wants to follow ES or not. Alright, still continuing. Microsoft recovers. Google recovers. Let's see. And I'm going to take 5 off here. And we 5 for this. Also ruined my price, so going to move at break even. Can be stopped out here easily. Looks like ES and other stocks are not allowing NQ to trade to the consequent encroachment. So Tesla, Apple, Nvidia, and Microsoft seems to be pushing higher, while Meta, Google, Amazon, and Apple are tanking. So little indecisiveness here. It's okay, we are risk free. And knowing that the President Trump is going to start speaking in 7 minutes. Thank you over here. Just as it was expected. So no worries, took 5 off there, booked some more profit, and currently at 491 for the day, so not bad. Need to make 650 to pass these evaluations here. I'm going to stay patient and see what the market is trying to tell us here. We had our first presented fair value gap for ES here. Alright, previous 15 was like this. I'm about to take the low ES. And Q needs to play catch up. I think ES is going to play catch up. We have also got 15-minute plus efficiency. But I'll stay offside because of the economic calendar here. Otherwise, I would have went long here. Taking this as my stop and targeting consequent encroachment here. Or maybe consequent encroachment of the midnight open range. In fact, if it allows me. Alright, filled in here. ES is back in the first presenter fair value gap. Let's see it on 1 minute. Alright, looking good. 3 minutes in from start speaking. Right, consequent encroachment of the opening range gap has been delivered. ES seems to be following, so I think we can hold it a little longer. I will take full off here and I will take full off at the top of the midnight open range. So the reason I am holding it longer is the fact that ES needs to cover up the opening range gap as well. And let's see. Are we going to be filled on our targets here or not? Quite good push higher on NQ. I want ES to catch up. Alright, most of these stocks are now pumping. That's good. I do not like the candles closing below the consequent encroachment, and ES still holding the first presented fair value gap. ES can retrace into this. Alright, next minute is 10 o'clock. Should I close it? Think I should wait. I'll be waiting. Risking 220 on this right now. Right, 10 o'clock. Let's see how the stocks are reacting. Order correcting. Microsoft just made a higher high. Let's see. It seems to be holding it. Mhm. Really wanted to hold the consequent encroachment, or at least this quadrant of the opening range. It seems to be correcting as well. Alright. Not liking the close. Yes, is trading in the lower quadrant. High coming there at 748, listed by 3 ticks there. Alright, ES pushes higher, has taken the morning buy side. I'm going break even here. A little lower. Missed my target by 3 ticks and then closed lower. Still looks like it's going to continue higher, but let's see. Here's the chop. Ah, chopped me out there. Like deep chop. Should have taken something from there. It's okay. Got another sell limit there. want NQ to dip inside the first presented fair value gap once again. All right. I'm long here, taking a really tight stop. So those are my targets. I want this inversion fair value gap to be inverted bullishly. This is how the 15-minute looks. Thinking on these highs. Yeah, but this inefficiency to be filled. Right, looking good here. Last minute of macro. Trading inside this inefficiency. Wanted to close bullishly above the start of this midnight open range low, and also above the consequent encroachment of the opening range gap here on NQ. Let's see what's going on ES. ES is retesting the first presented fair value gap. If they decide to do that on NQ, I'll be stopped out here. So last minute of macro, 10-10 candle. See if they want to drop it to first presented fair value gap, or will they already hit higher? I think they should, because they've already done the job, as well as traded to the first presented fair value gap, then close beautifully above this quadrant of the opening range gap. So it should be good to take the high on 15-minute here. ES is delivering the opening range gaps consequent encroachment है. Alright, ES is reacting. Let's see how it wants to trade after hitting the consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. Alright, first partial fill there. Really nice. I would like to see if I can actually pass this with this. Following this. I'm going to take 3 here. 9. Good trade. Alright, took the midnight open range high here on NQ and seems to be retracing. Going break even here. Deep correction on ES. NQ seems to be carrying on while ES still holds this. In fact, ES seems to be going much lower. And now NQ seems to be catching up. Let's see. Let's see the 15-minute. Yeah, okay. Flipped back bearish here after trading inside this CB. Looks like it does not want to trade there, but if it does, then it will be taking London's sell side, London's buy side, sorry. He seems to be taking a hit. Let's see. I've added 3 here. And ES is not looking good, to be honest. ES still looks bearish. NQ catching up now. Doesn't look good from here, to be honest. That NQ looks strong, man. No, catching up on ES now. Coming for a stop. See. Oh, okay. Right. High coming at 762.5. We were sitting at 64.5, missed it by 2 points. Mm-hmm. Use the consequent encroachment in this order block to push higher here. Currently using the midnight open price. Looks like we should be good to continue higher here. This will move my price higher. Common voice should be able to pass here now. Alright, that's good. Alright, I passed 4 at the moment. Just need to make $30 on the other two. It's got this. Right, no worries. No stress. about to pass my FundedNext rapid evaluation here. I really like their payout cycle rules and everything. So if you want to give it a go, just check my description. And if you are new to them, you should be getting an exclusive 5% off as well. So my leader account, basically, I'm copying on 5 accounts. My leader account has basically got $30 difference from my followers, and that is why I am trying to pass all 5 at the same time. It's okay, like I have booked most of my profits here. Yes, refers today's new week opening gap that we got. It's not really a gap, just a price trend. We got a gap on ES but not on NQ. So we just need $25 more here. To pass it on all 5 accounts. Retracing after trading to the new week opening gap. ES retraces inside the SPC now. Should be good to continue higher. Let's see. Will they use it to run prices lower from here? I'm not really watching news and what Trump is saying, to be honest. Let's check out the 15-minute again. Right, takes this high, should go for that as well. Got 6 minutes in this close. Let's see. We've got wicks here, so we can fill in those wicks. See. NQ is holding strong. Microsoft is correcting. Apple seems to be tanking since open. Alright. Interesting. Let's see. ES drops lower. I think this time NQ can catch up on ES really easily on lower prices. Nope, doesn't look good, to be honest. NQ closed above the midnight open range 50% nicely. It's going to add one more here and see. Also giving it a little room here. And then should get our targets filled here. Let's give it a second. It's not looking good. And a half minute and this 15-minute to close. $10.30. Referring midnight open price should close above it. Yes, seems to be continuing lower. So yes, it's closing 15-minute as bearish candle. Doesn't look good. $10.30. So we should continue higher from here, and it should catch up on the higher side. Let's see. If you not wanted to refer midnight open price as premium array, should trade above it bullishly. Exactly, yes, on 1 minute now. Okay, trading inside this city. Not a nice close. Let's see. Mm-mm. Looks like NQ wants to drop lower now. And do one more push high. Let's see. How does the hourly look? Okay. 30 minutes. Let's see. A bit tight, to be honest. Two more. Alright. Looks like it wants to break lower now. Thank you. It's just trading inside this. But the way it is acting out, I would do is do this. And might add 5 more. Let's take a quick one. Looks like they want to continue running it higher. This is just a jump. Not going to force it a lot. Looking good from here. If he catches up. That's well, then that's what he is working at this way. Alright, good push higher. That doesn't look good. Not right. This is going to messed up now. Just fine. Let's see. No man, it still looks good. I'm going to give it the same name that I had previously. This one should be fine. 97, risking 120 on this. I can feel this stickiness towards the downside on NQ, but not anymore. $10.41. Working on this volume imbalance on NQ. It's creating this channel, bearish channel. As you can see, it's much cheaper on ES, but even on NQ, it's like this. Just holding the midnight open range here on NQ. Really tight. Not a nice close. Let's see what other stocks are doing. Okay. Seems to be alright. It's a bit weird. Yeah, should catch up on the higher side. 15 minutes, last 30 seconds. Okay, let's see. Such a deep. But good push on ES. So seems to be on side. Yes, taking a slab again just to fill in this volume imbalance. Should how it be? Let's see. So this is the first minute of new 50-minute candle. Should go higher, man. Let's see. Yes, takes a slap again. Should respect this VC, otherwise you'll be stopped out. Looks like we are outside. That was hard. Need $240 now. I'll wait for this SMT. Right back in a second. Straight up. Just need 12 points. We have got SMT. No, yeah. 46 on all right. All the accounts are passed now with FundedNext. Hey Devraj, how we doing? I'm really good. How are you? So I'll show it to you guys. Just give me a second here. So I just want to show that I passed 5 accounts with FundedNext. Just give me a second here. 25k accounts. I'm setting it up. So here you go. I hope you should be able to see it. So 5 accounts have been passed here. All 5 of them. 25k. So the payout rules on these, if I'm not wrong, is maximum $800 on each account until first 5 payouts. And that I'll be needing 40% consistency. Yep. So we'll start trading hopefully on these accounts by tomorrow. And yeah. Where's that at? So I'll be just closing off my stream here. I'm done for the day. Targets have been achieved, and just going to go with my day here and take some rest. So take care. See you guys tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Cheers. Have a good day. Take care.